that they are not with the people of South Africa. Second to that, we align with them because they sit in parliament, parliament. And if you want to change certain policies, kumele ufake into ekuthiwa ama-motion. And when you put those motions, they can only come through members of parliament. So that's why we need them to assist us in changing leyo mthetho leyo ekuyiyona esasicindezela even today. So we want to thank Action SA who's been with us, ATM who's been with us, the IFP who've been with us, the MK who has been with us, the NFP who has been with us, Operation Dudula who has been with us, Africa Maibuye who has been with us, and we thank some members of the ANC like Panyaza Lesufi. We thank those who have stood with us and have given us a message of support. We want to thank Kakulu, Uhulumeni waKwaZulu Natal,